Hello patrons, welcome to my sketchbook tour for the month of June, and this is a completely finished sketchbook. Okay, so this one's, I don't know if you know this, I actually paint my comics on 100 GSM papers like this. This was actually suggested by one of my followers. My followers are the best on Instagram, to be honest. Even though it's a very, like, I hate to admit this, but I kind of want to have my community on Instagram small and not go viral and not go like extreme following and fame and all that. I want to make a decent living from the community I have because it's very dedicated, very small, and very, very sweet so far. So people have just when I wanted advice, people were there to give me. So yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, you can see some shadow here. Maybe I should change the orientation or something. Okay, I'll just be back. Okay, so I'm back. I think you can see a shadow even now. Okay, now it's fine. Wow. I really like making these videos which are so genuine and unedited. I don't know, I just feel like it's more closer to me. So, and also to the person who watches. So this is the watercolor practice that I did in the month of March. This is not exactly the sketchbook of June. This is last 2 months sketchbook. So back then I did not have any watercolor paper. So I used to basically do on these sketchbook papers. By the way, this book is actually good if you want to invest in it. It's Scholar A4 artist pad. There are many variants in this. I checked it online. However, they had some delivery fee for below 500, so I thought I'll just buy products in a bunch so that I don't have that charge because I don't find them in stores anymore because of the lockdown, whatever. This is one more. This is my own wreath. That's my own composition. I kind of feel it's I take pride in it. Okay, 1 second. Is that Pumbaa? Okay, he's meowing. Do you want to see him? Okay, wait, let me just bring him. Okay, there he is. He was outside the door and he was like, open the door. So I just did. But I'll just put him on the bed so that he can sleep. Oh, wait. I think he's finding his spot. So here is a small sketch that I made from newspaper. Nothing special. And then this one's a commission of a logo that I worked on for a website, and these were some of the rough sketches that I made for that commission. And what's he doing? Okay, so this is when I was watching Friends on YouTube just for fun, just some funny clips. I just sketched some characters. I think one of them is Phoebe. This one's Phoebe. It's just stylized version. It's not exactly them. And this one's for my YouTube video. I was just practicing my avatar, and yeah, I was just trying to come up with a different style or something. And this one's also for that logo design that I was talking about. I went through so many modifications with the logo. It took a while at some point I thought if I can deliver the project on time, because so many things were changed with respect to the design. But I did, and I also got a bonus for it, so yay. And this is some more sketches. This actually I saw from a, okay, 1 second. You sit here, okay? You sit here. That's it. Okay, so these sketches are from the book called The Silver Way. It's a really good book if you want to get started with character design. And these are some characters that I thought, I was practicing for my, I cheat a little, okay. So I was just practicing for my 10 minute, 10 second and, 1 minute, 10 minute, 10 minute, 1 minute and 10 second video on YouTube. I'm so sorry, I'm laughing. Pumbaa here is irritating me. He's trying to get in. Okay. You can't sleep here. Do whatever, but you can't. Okay. Okay, yeah, go play there. Okay. No, wait. No. He's chewing my brushes again. Okay, you just sleep here. Okay, the framing is perfect. Yeah. Ow. Okay, so this is our final video on YouTube. I guess it's not the final one because of the 10 seconds one. I accidentally went for 1 minute again. So I drew this and I was like, whoa, I did a mistake, and I had to refilm that part. So this one's florals again. And this is again that commission I was talking about. And this is, I'll tell you how much watercolor, the brand and the quality matters. This is done with the Camlin artist watercolor cakes. Oh my god, no, not my tripod. Okay guys, give me a second. So yeah, this is done with those watercolor cakes, and you can see that the color is not very nicely pigmented. I wanted that yellow which was there in the palette, and it was not very you can see the patches here, and you can see that it is very it's a very unprofessional finish. So I discarded it and I went with the primer watercolor. I don't even know if you guys know these brands, but I'm just saying this is a more expensive brand. This I got it for I got it as a sample for a review, but these paints are like great. Oh, I have them right here actually. Okay, anyway, so this is just a practice again. Mumbai is coming again. So these are some peonies. I'm so sorry. I did not expect this to happen. But if I wouldn't open the door, he'd be outside the door and he'd be making much more noise. These are some more peonies, and these are some peonies with some grey mixed in them. You can see that I was trying to build a concept out of this. So I was trying to make colors, change colors and make flowers in different moods and different emotions. I didn't show you this, did I? This I followed from a YouTube tutorial by Jenna Rainey. And what next? This is my comic. It was initially a sketch which I made it into a comic. And this is for some random comic idea. This is my favorite. I did it just today. I am done with my sketchbook, so I was going through my older sketchbooks and seeing if I have any space left to draw. And luckily I do have a lot of space on the left side pages which I'm going to use before I buy a new one. So this is Mahanati Savitri, and there is Oh Darling's Dream, Saji Kennedy on Instagram, Oh Darling's Dream, that's her account. She made a beautiful rendition of Mahanati Savitri, and I was like, hey, let me make it in my own different style, and I tried it. And this is my favorite cartoonist, Rohan Chakravarti from Green Humor. I was just drawing him while he was on live with this guy from Nature in Focus. This is some calligraphy practice right here. You needn't see this. What did I write here? Okay, Salmon's Fire. Okay, it's not bad. It's actually good. This is on the day of the gas leak in Vizag. Yeah, it is really sad. And these are some sketches for my last month's Patreon, and this is for my 100 days of sketching on Instagram. These are all like for my Patreon page. I scan them, I drew them, and I scan them. And here is some more. I actually like this kind of, this style. I don't know, I like it. And this guy is so funny. Okay, next we have this girl selling flowers, and so I was trying to build a story from the same character with a yellow bag, from her childhood to how she was raised on the streets and how she was tormented in her teens, whatever. But then I stopped midway because I just didn't. It was too complicated to make a story, and yeah. I was we were given some prompts for every day on the 100-day challenge, so I was like, I just couldn't connect the dots effectively, and it took a lot of story, and I didn't want to procrastinate. I didn't want to stop the challenge midway, so I stopped this story. Yeah, some random sketches. This is from the newspaper. Oh wait, this is from, yeah, something from the newspaper. I like the combination of violet and this pink sort of a thing. It's really, really good color combination. I'm not very good with colors, but when I see one, I'm like, okay, this works. So orange and green also works. I like it. They're like, wait, are they complementary colors? I'm not sure, but they do look complementary. Next we have some more 100 day sketching. These are all done with oil pastel. Yeah, I like that medium. Okay, this is just a storyboard for this is the storyboard for the TV5 incident, that comic one that I made. That's just, yeah. And this is some more 100 days sketching. This is Bongaram tabletop. What is Bongaram called? Is it tabletop? I don't know. Is it a spinner? Wait, I have to check. I forgot. These are some WhatsApp stickers that I was planning to make, but which I didn't. What is paper doing in here? Yeah, but I'll be making some stickers. So this one's more sketches from the newspaper. You can see some politicians here. Jagan, KCR. This one's supposed to be Nayantara, I guess. I don't know. Someone from the film section. This one's what's this? I think some random thing that I found in the children's section. This is for my Skillshare class, and then I thought I was wasting my precious sketchbook paper, so I shifted to using a normal A4 sheet. This one, oh my god, she looks like Chandramukhi. So some more sketches in pencil from the newspaper again, and this is a cartoon from the newspaper, and I like how it turned out, I really like it. It's came out well. These are some sketches for on my Instagram. I made a live stream one day to teach how to draw faces and the fundamentals of drawing faces, and I was just practicing for that before the live. And these were some faces that we drew that day. Someone asked for a cat, and I drew it too. And some more. And some more. And I guess that's it. But let's see. These are some comics. Rohan from Green Humor, he once launched a how to draw comics thing somewhere, and I was like drawing from that. No matter how much I learn, if someone out there launches a course or if they teach something, I'd be willing to learn. I'd literally run to them and be like, okay, I want to learn this, I want to learn this. There's some tip or technique that we learn from them, which we can implement in our drawings as well. So I always love to learn, and I always register for workshops, buy books. In fact, this month I invested pretty much in some books, and I'm waiting for them to return. What do I say? Not return. To be delivered. Wow, I just froze for a moment. Okay, yeah. So there's some really interesting books I would love to show you, but one of them will take time to arrive. It'll take around a month or two because it's being shipped from the US. But yeah, it's from my favorite artist. I can't wait to show that to you. So this one's again, this is for Corona Smiles. This is actually Rohan again. Wow. It's evident that I absolutely admire him. He's just, I love his humor. This is Srija, and my friend, when she was leaving our hostel, I drew this for her. But I didn't like it because it looks so creepy, especially the teeth and, the deathly stare that the eyes are giving. So I didn't gift it to her. And I gifted her one of my paintings that I painted for my YouTube. So yeah, I just kept it for myself, and it was there on my notice board, that's a display board, for so long, and I removed it. Like, she just gave me company for the longest time. I removed it when we had the TV5 interview, and I never kept it back because there are many more paintings over there now. So yeah, that's with the sketchbook tour. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Okay, this is the perfect closure He's come to sleep. He's not going to budge. So I guess we'll have to stop the video now. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you next month with many more things. Bye bye.